In our tech news, a Nigerian startup, Xend Finance, uses decentralized finance to address currency devaluation. It gives credit unions and cooperatives access to the global money market to save and invest in stable currencies such as the US dollar, backed by Binance, Google Launchpad. Xend Finance is the first decentralized finance blockchain built company to launch out of Africa. For more insight, Africa 54 tech correspondent Paul Ndiho via Skype spoke to Aronu Ugochukwu, CEO and co-founder of Xend Finance, which is based in Enugu State, Nigeria.
Ugo Aronu, welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you, Paul. Very fine.
You run one of the most interesting fintech companies in Nigeria. Tell me a little bit more about Xend Finance.
Xend Finance is a platform, right, for credit unions and for cooperatives that enables these institutions or individuals, right, to earn very high yields or APYs, annual percentage yields, in stable currencies. And the currencies are pegged to the US dollar. So it means that once they convert their currencies to the US dollar on our platform, we now enable them earn very high yields, up to 15% or even more in US dollars annually.
When you talk about enable them to get higher yields or higher returns, what do you mean exactly?
What we do is we convert the local currency to a stable cryptocurrency, right? That stable cryptocurrency is accepted into our platform. Now, when it's accepted into our platform or deposited into our platform, what happens is there is a wider market or a huge market where different people or organizations borrow funds or lend funds to the crypto market. So because of the lending and borrowing going on, interests are being generated, right? Just like when you want to borrow funds, right? You pay an interest. So what we do is we take all the funds we've collected on our system and we deposit it on our platform and allow other people to borrow. When they borrow, they pay at an interest. And it's that interest that is now transferred to the customer or to the user of our platform. That is how they earn their yields. And the great thing about this is there is no middleman involved, right? Because in the traditional system, this has to be done by people or bankers, people sitting at desks and all that. But now everything is managed programmatically on the blockchain. So you don't need to bother yourselves about maybe people not paying back their loans. No, everything is automatically managed on the blockchain using things called smart contracts.
You talk about something very complex here. You talk about getting people's finances, put them on a blockchain or convert them into a cryptocurrency. The people that you're talking about, the people who you are targeting, most of them have no clue what a cryptocurrency is, what blockchain is. And the risks are even higher when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies because there's a lot of volatility. So how can you assure those people, the small guys, who are trying to use your services, that their money is secure?
Being able to convert the local currency to stable cryptocurrency. So by stable cryptocurrency, I mean it is pegged or it has the same value as the US dollar. When you convert, for example, 100,000 naira or 100,000 Kenyan shillings to US dollar or to the stable currency, it remains that amount. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. Our job is to educate them on how to use the platform, which is very simple and seamless, and of course, ensure them that their funds are secure. For the security of our platform, there are things called audits. So companies, businesses undergo audits, right, by accounting firms or consulting firms. Xend Finance is not an exception. So we have different people that have audited the code to ensure that it is safe for people to put their funds and that the code is doing what it says it will do.
How big is the blockchain or Bitcoin? How are people using that in Nigeria?
From all indications, and say for example, I meet 10 people today, I can tell you that at least 5 of them have heard of crypto, or 5 of them are thinking about investing in crypto. Nigeria is the second highest trader of Bitcoin in the world, right? Number 1 is the United States. So you realize that Nigerians are really adopting cryptocurrency, and it's a great thing. Yeah.
Well, Ugo, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, Paul. It was a great session.
That was Africa 54 tech correspondent Paul Ndiho speaking to Aronu Ugochukwu, CEO and co-founder of Xend Finance based in Enugu State, Nigeria.